Need to add leads into HubSpot? I'm going to show you all the weird and wonderful ways to do just that. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in HubSpot. What we want to do is go onto the left-hand side and you can say click onto CRM and here onto contacts. Now there's a number of ways of doing this. It just depends on how your workflows actually operate. Now, for me personally, this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it, one of the most basic ways to do it. So once you're in these contacts page, you're going to go up to the top right, you'll see add contacts, and here you want to say import. Now what you can do is there's a number of ways of importing new leads. You can first of all import it directly into your CRM via a file. So this is a CSV file, and I'm going to go in there, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So here you can create and update new contacts. All right, this is a simple way of doing it. Here there's some additional objects that you can add in here. And then you can repeat a past import if you have already done so. But what we want to do is we want to do the quick import. It's the simplest way of doing it. And here you can download a template, add all your contacts to your template. Even if you already have a template, you can actually take this Google Sheets template and just copy all of your contacts and paste it in here. Okay, so this is what it will look like, and this is the template. So you can rename it and just add in the information accordingly. Now, if you already have this information on another sheet, all you'll have to do is go like this. You are going to right click and say copy. And then when you paste into this sheet, when you right click onto the space that you want to paste into, go ahead and say paste special. And you're going to go and say data validation only. And this basically will allow you to just add in that information without reformatting. All right, now, once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to go and we are going to select the file that we'd like to upload. Okay, so we've uploaded the file and now we're going to say next. And there's a few things that we can do here, right? So you can see over here, we've got our column headers, and this is what is on our actual file. And then we've got import as, and then you're going to just say contact properties. So what it's going to do is it's just going to remap it to HubSpot with those exact same headings. As you can see, everything matches. You can also just say don't import data in unmapped columns. There's obviously an error there, but that's not a problem. You're going to go ahead and sorry, the reason for this is because this is sample data. Okay, you're going to go ahead, say next, and here you can just import and give it an import name. And then you can select the legal basis for processing. Okay, so I'm just going to say lead, and you're going to go and say finish import. Now from here, it's going to import all of your contacts directly into HubSpot, right? And as I mentioned earlier on, there's a few different ways of doing this. Now, if you want to create a connection between, let's say, Google Sheets, let's say that you're going to update this on a daily, and the moment you update it, it's going to be automatically added in. So you can go ahead and you can just say connect an app. And here you can look for Google Sheets. And once you look for Google Sheets, it'll actually automatically connect to your HubSpot. And every time you add in a file or a name or a contact, whatever the case may be, you'll actually have this updated automatically over here. And then you can also set the lead status. So your lead status over here, you can see you'll set it as new, or if you want to set it as open, in progress, whatever the case may be, you can set it manually over there. And when they're imported, it'll be imported with that new lead status.